Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials. Update your Xbox Series X, install Zen Studio, and sign into your Cronus account. Plug the Cronus Zen into your PC using the USB-C cable-to-flash firmware. This step ensures compatibility with 2K25. Once done, connect your original Xbox controller to the Zen's controller port so it pairs correctly. Make sure to choose the Xbox Series X profile in Zen Studio. This tells the device how to communicate, and it prevents input mismatches when you move to the console. Now configure your profiles. Open Zen Studio and either import a 2K25 script or build one from scratch. You'll tweak dead zone, sensitivity, and button mapping to match your playstyle. This is where precision comes from. Once you adjust parameters, save the profile to the Zen's onboard memory and use the controller analyzer to confirm inputs register cleanly. If you see jitter or delays, reduce script complexity or lower smoothing values. These middle steps determine consistent performance when you take the device to the Xbox. Finish by plugging the Cronus Zen into your Xbox Series X via USB-C and selecting the saved profile slot on the device. Attach your controller and enter 2K25 to perform a brief in-game calibration. Make small adjustments and repeat until aiming and movement feel natural. If inputs fail or lag appears, first reflash Zen firmware from PC, then try a different console USB port and a new USB-C cable. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with the original controller and a minimal script to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.